Welcome back to the Alan Phillips channel. In this video, part 2 of 4, we're going to take a look at this Shindaiwa 357 saw. This was one of the 4 saws I got at a local auction in town. Auction claimed non-running saws. So I figured I'd take a stab at it, see if we can get this thing running. It came with no spark plug, no fuel. I'm assuming it was winterized. And the saw, or the chain, is basically wore out. So see if we can get it running, take it up to the bench, and see if we can cut some wood with it. Let's go. Video 1, we went over the Tanaka saw here, another top handle saw. We got this one apart still. We're waiting on some parts. So when I get that video done, you can find it in a link somewhere around here. We'll put a card. Recapping, we got the Steel 201TC, another top handle saw, third top handle one, the Shindaiwa 357, and the larger of the 4, Homelight DB 3350B. So again, real quick, probably an arborist, went out of business or just auctioned these off. Tanaka, first video, we'll do the Shindaiwa 357 today. This one looks a bit more complete. The steel, as you can see, is missing a bar and a chain and a spark plug. This one looks like it got some pretty good use. We'll save that one for video 3. This one looks pretty complete. Saw is in decent shape. The chain, it is missing a spark plug. We'll go ahead and throw one in there and see if we can get one of the 4 running today. Some specs on this one. This is a 35cc motor, 1.8 horsepower, and I believe it's around 1/4 of a liter of fuel, at least from the spec sheet. So let's get it cleaned up a bit, throw a spark plug in it, maybe sharpen the chain, see if we can go cut something in the back. All right, see if we can take this apart a bit, maybe clean off some of the filters. Try and keep my hands out of the way. Let's get this cover off. This saw is probably the heaviest of the 3 smaller ones, I would say. I believe it has the largest motor as far as cc size, 35 on this. I believe the steel, if I remember correctly, was around 32, which is odd because that one is 2.4 horsepower. So quite a hefty motor in that small package. All these saws, I did get them with no fuel, which is good. They ran them out. It looks like they took spark plugs out of all of them. The maintenance for the winter, let the carb dry out a bit. Like our normal buildup in here. Get some of this out. So the listing said non-running saws. Not sure if they actually tried to test them or not, but obviously they wouldn't run without a spark plug. So not sure if these are all lemons or what we got here. You guys want to see the steel trial, see if that one runs, or if you want to see the bigger, the home light saw. Let me know in the comments while you're down there. Hit that like and that subscribe for me. It really helps the YouTube algorithm figure out which videos you guys want to see. All right, let's see here. Like I said, off switch right there. Choke on the front here. And let's see what happens. That sounded promising. Wow. Okay. Well, seems like we might have a winner here. Well, that's pretty cool. Was not expecting it to be that easy. Let's sharpen the chain up a bit here. Just give it a touch. Throw some oil in it, and let's go see how it performs. It actually was oiling. There's a bit of oil on the bottom of the bar that looked fresh. Couple passes. It's not in terrible shape. A little more life. Let's see how the rakes look. Not bad. Not bad. Enough for a test. All right, oil. Has oil. Okay, no fuel, had oil. All right, let's go find something to cut. All right, let's try this guy. So, I guess final thoughts. It runs. Obviously, that's good. So, decent investment. The chain's pretty worn. I might just end up replacing that here shortly. Testing it on this lug. Very hard wood. This is probably pushing it a little bit for its limitations. The steel might have been able to do this one with the 2.4 horsepower motor, but at 1.8 we're a little bit underpowered. But cutting this log, I don't know, 8 inches, that's probably our wheelhouse all day long, right? So we're in a bucket or climbing a tree, we're gonna be overhead. So sweet little saw, I like it. Shocked it started up so fast, but thanks for watching. If you guys want to see the next one, the third saw we'll do is that steel MS210 TC, I believe it was. Too many numbers. We'll get a spark plug for that. I have a bar and a chain on order. It should be here shortly. Maybe I'll get to that this weekend. But this Shindaiwa is not too bad for an older saw. I mean, it's more than capable of, farting around back here and cutting small logs up. So thanks everybody for stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when the steel video comes up. We'll see you next time.